Hello traders, you're welcome to my channel once more. This channel is dedicated to give you value in all ways. If you can see from my past videos, we are trying to make it simplified so that everybody could understand and start making money from this Forex market. So today we're here with another mad strategy that at least if you trade this, you'll be able to start making good amount of profit in your trading career. So if you're not subscribing to the you're not subscribing to the channel, or you haven't subscribed to the channel, you're missing out a lot. You're missing out a lot because we have many information to pass on to this channel that we've created. So in order not wasting much of your time, we'll be diving into the business for today. And firstly, this particular channel that I want to give you is just simply you following the trend. The trend should be your friend anytime you're trading. Please, guys, if you're subscribed to the channel, you should know that we don't allow people to trade against the trend. Is very risky and it's really risky for your money. So always trade with the trend. Always trade with the trend. So if the trend is a downward trend, downward movement, so that you'll be looking for opportunities of buy. If it's a downward movement, you'll be looking for opportunity to sell. If it's a upward movement, we'll be looking for opportunities to start buying. So simply they are just two basic rules for this trading strategy. That's why it's so simple, very simple to use. And if you're a scalper, you're a swing trader, this strategy is for you. Position trader, this strategy is for you. What you simply need is your moving average 20, your moving average 20. That's just what you simply need. So guys, let me show you how this strategy works. Let me show you how the strategy works. What you do simply, you wait for the moving average to cut across the candle. So we have an example here. We have an example here. So are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? So waiting for the it's just for you waiting for the moving average here to cross and close below the moving average. Then when you can take your trade from the next candle. So if you're a scalper, you can just simply scalp these 4 hours uh, movement and you're off. Then if you're a swing trader, you go to your daily time frame to check the actual movement of the market. And if you see it's a sell signal, you can place your sell here, put your stop loss above. Isn't it? Put your stop loss above. Put your stop loss above and see. Clearly see how the market shut down, and you can only take trades. If it's on the sell, you can only take a set trade anytime it come back to the moving average. Example is like this. Isn't it? It comes to the moving average, failed to break above it, just give some weight then shot back inside. So this area you can take your sell and you make a good lot of money in the market. There's many opportunities guys here. Let's highlight them. Highlight them. Okay. Here is the first opportunity. Here is the first opportunity. Here is the first opportunity. So got this plus this particular one is a good position for you to take your trade. Very good position for you to take your trade. So are you saying this circle? Immediately it breaks out below the moving average, you take your trade. And I send this. I send this buy move. Send this buy move on 4 hours time frame. So if you're a scalper, you can just simply after it breaks this, it will go to the, let's indicate it here. If we go to the, let's indicate it. Look at where it breaks the trend. So you'll be using the 4 hours to wait for the break so that you can simply follow the trend. Look at it. So when it broke the trend here, so if you're a scalper, let's go to probably 150 minutes time frame and let's check for that particular movement. Particular movement. Check for that particular movement. So are you saying that you saying here it broke? Look at the place we indicated. So it broke the trend here. You got me? Like in 15 minutes it broke the market here. Well, 1 hour you see that. So you see that the 1 hour tends to give you a higher view of this. So after breaking it in probably the 1 hour or the 4 hours, you come back to your 15 minutes and wait for a pullback to the trend line. Are you seeing it? You wait for a pullback to the trend line, then you take your trade. Simply take your trade. If there's a previous low, you put your stop at the previous low and target 1:3. So just make it simple. Don't wait for you taking 1:10 or 1:20 on this, and just simply follow the trend like that. Immediately it broke the 20 EMA on the 4 hours. Come to the lower time frame. Wait for a pullback to the 20 EMA and take your trade. And today, if you take this trade here, you will be able to make 1:3, then leave the market. Understand the market is not your own, so take the little you can take and leave the market. You understand? So that is it. So first of all, on this strategy, you have to go to the higher time frame, determine a break. You understand? The close on either above or below the trending market. So after closing the next candle, you can take your trade like this. As in after it close, you can take your trade here. Your stop loss should be at this symbol, and take your trade here. As in it, and take your trade here, and then the stop loss should be here. And the setting of the EMA, which is this, is just simply period 20 finish model, simple, then apply to close. Is simply the setting for the moving average, and immediately if you are in a trade and you're seeing the moving average breaking across cross the 20 EMA at the other direction, simply close your trade if it hasn't hit your one ratio 3. But if you take this kind of trade here, probably before it makes this move backwards, you are out of the trade. You understand? So this is as simple as this. It's as simple as this, guys. So if you can stick to this particular strategy, you can start making money. But mind you, there's no strategy that is 100% unholy grail. So when you are trading, please use a proper risk management. Know your risk management. Know your plan. Stop trading, over trading, because immediately you start over trading, you start losing to the market. So if it's okay, I'm trading just once a day, trade that once and leave the market. Trade them once and leave the market. So the strategy is simply simple. Anytime you see cross, look at it. Anytime you see a cross, anytime you see a cross on the moving average, and they can kind of close below the moving average, then take your trade at the next candle, stop loss above that candle that closes. So it's pretty simple. It's above this candle that closes, so you're risking very little to make a lot of money. So the stop loss should be here. Then you take profit target 1:3. Then you're out of the market. You understand? You make a lot of profit. So this particular style is just is is for everybody. Position trader, um, scalpers and all that. So you, the scalper, you use the lower time frame, we just determine the trend from the higher time frame. Then you, the swing trader, determine your trend from the weekly, the monthly, then go to your 1 hour or 4 hours to execute your trade. Then the position trader, you can determine your trend from the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, then go to your daily or your 4 hours and pick your trade. You understand? So it's a pretty simple one. Just you following the trend, and if you follow the trend, you're definitely going to make money from the market. That's it, guys. If you gain value from this uh, video, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up so that give it a like so that you can support the channel in growing, and other people seeing this particular content of ours to become profitable in the long run.